Storm Rune here with another brawl. We got Gronkle, Barf Belch, and Hofferson's Bane. We're going to go after them in the order of Hofferson's Bane, Barf Belch, then the Gronkle. Not using any energy, any action bars until I can get to that Stormcutter heal. Now we're gonna start hitting Barf and Belch. You might say, well, Gronkle's an area of effect. Why go after Barf and Belch? Well, because we want to reduce their numbers as fast as possible, so lead defenders till the end because they take the longest to take out. And that's it.